Welcome. Today I am with OnePlus Nord 2 5G and I will show you speaker sound quality test. So I'll play that song, no copyright song, on the YouTube in the highest quality, and the smartphone can find two speakers in this place and also at the bottom right here. So let me just turn on the highest quality, and right now we can enjoy the speaker on this smartphone. So as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.